birds living on the trees. So on every tree there are two birds. Can you see two birds on a tree? Can you see two birds on a tree?
Yes.
Yes. Can somebody tell me how many birds are there in all? How many birds are there together? 9. How many birds are there in all? 10. What is this number? How many are here? No, only on the first tree. 1. Okay. How many? Oh, no, no, not 1. 2. Yes. How many on the next tree?
2.
What is 2 plus 2?
6. 2. 4. Odd.
How many on the third tree? How many on the third tree?
2.
2. How many together on 3 trees now? Only on 3 trees. How many together?
9.
Shriddhi, how many together on these 3 trees?
3. 4.
That's 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is 2 and 2 and 2?
4. 5.
No, it's not 5, Shriddhi. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, that's 6. Yeah, no, don't count, don't count. Then there were 2 more on the fourth tree.
6.
Then that makes it together 8 birds.
8.
Then there were 2 more on the last tree. Then how many birds are there in all? 10?
8.
That's 8? Well, that's 2 and 2 and another 2 and another 2 and another 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Can you get the 2 rods and put it like this? 2 and another 2 and another 2 and another 2 and another 2. There are 5 trees. So you are taking 2 5 times. Put it together, Ayan. Look at how Ayan is doing. And others can follow. Adhijay, can you put the 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, all of them together?
5.
Okay, put the 2's together. Vivan, take the 2 rod. What color is the 2 rod?
2 rods is red.
Yeah, take red and put it like 5. This is for the first tree, this is for the next 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 tree.
10.
Good. If you believe it is 10, get the 10 rod and check. Get the 10 rod and check. You will only get the 10 rod and check.
Yes.
Is it 10? Oh, good job. Good job. That's 10. Adhijay, get the 10 rod and check. And tell your mom that you are going to get the 10 rod. Mama is not going to give you that 10 rod. Good. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 times is 10. Good job. So there were 10 birds living in that jungle. It was a jungle. Interesting jungle.
It's 10, Mama.
Yes. Then
10, I know it's 10. 10. Yes?
Then there were some humans who were flying in a hot air balloon. Do you see that hot air balloon?
Yes.
How many of you have seen that in pictures? How a hot air balloon looks like? I don't think it looks like one.
A tree in a pot.
Let me make a better one. It was a hot air balloon.
Tree in a pot. You just said.
Okay, so
It's looking like a tree in a pot.
yeah, you're right. I'm trying that it looks like a hot air balloon. I hope it does.
Now it does.
Ah,
Now it does.
it doesn't. Okay, no problem. So that had a design of 5 and 5. So how many dots are there on this balloon? 10. 10. Very good. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now somebody came and erased some of the designs, some of the dots. Can you tell me how many dots did they erase? How many did they erase? No? 3. No, you're guessing. This is 5 and there were 10 here. There were 10 here. So then 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So somebody remove 3 dots. 3 dots, sorry. Close your eyes. Let's see what you can do. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Aviraj. Yes, thank you. Yes, now somebody came and they erased some of those dots. How many dots do you think they erased? Open your eyes. 4 are there. How many are erased? Erased means taken away. 1 and a 5.
5 and 1 is what? Yes.
So there is 6.
Correct.
There is 6 dots. Excellent job.
6.
Very good. They erased the 6th rod. Good. Then from the sky, somebody was throwing some rods. And then they threw the orange rod. And then they threw the yellow rod. And this had to reach a place. So it will reach the place, the number it shows. The number it shows. Somebody show a 10 rod and a 5 rod. So what number does it show? What number does it show?
5.
No, it's not just 5. There are both the numbers coming from the sky. Somebody is just throwing them from the sky. They threw a 10.
50.
Correct.
50.
15. 15. You see, Aviraj, a 10 and a 5 makes a 15. A 10 and a 5 makes what? Now, what I will do is, I will just click a picture of this and all of you, I'll send this picture to you and you will make your own stories. Okay?